Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to delete your sent friend requests on Facebook. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, and as a first step to delete your sent friend requests, tap on the menu app here. Then choose Find Friends. And after that, tap on Requests. Then tap on these three dots. And once you tap on View Sent Requests, a list of all your sent friend requests will appear. And to delete your sent friend requests, simply tap on Cancel. And if you want to check if you're deleted or not, simply go to his or her profile. And you're gonna find that your friend request is deleted. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.